In many working environments nowadays, people are already familiar with the card checking process, which require every employee to bring with them their identification card and swipe it over a reader in front of the door in order to get into the company. This kind of process uses a technology called RFID, or radio frequency identification. The RFID reader is used to read the ID number, which is embedded inside the employee's card, and determine if that person is allowed to enter. However, it presents a critical problem in which a stranger could steal an employee's card and get access into the company under his or her name. As a result, a new entrance checking system with new features which can help to solve the problems is desired. Understanding the potential threat of the above problem, a group of 5 engineers who are currently studying in the RMIT Master of Engineering program have proposed an enhanced entrance checking system with a new feature called face recognition. This newly added feature can help the system recognize a person's face instead of just checking his identification card. In addition to the traditional RFID reader, the enhanced system will have a camera installed at a position relative to an average person's height. This camera is used to capture the facial image of people who want to enter the office. This image is then transferred to a central database system, in which it is compared to the facial images of the whole company. If there is a match with an available employee, then the person, or in this case the employee, is allowed to pass in. The face recognition technique utilizes several mathematical algorithms and the powerful computing capability of computer in order to recognize the human faces. The check-in procedure is very straightforward. People just need to stand closely and look directly into the camera for the system to capture the facial image and the RFID reader to read the ID number of the employee. These two types of information then are sent to the central database for processing and checking. If the system can recognize that person, he or she will be allowed to enter. Otherwise, an alarm signal is generated. Even though the system has been implemented for just around 6 months and much work is needed to be done, the accuracy level is substantial. It can recognize all the people whose face is stored in the database and reject all strange faces. The system is still in its early phase of development, and its face recognition feature has a huge potential for many applications. The 5 engineers are working tirelessly to improve their product and hope their efforts can contribute greatly to the technology development in the coming years.